back in action. We back in the action, boys. So I actually wasn't gonna film a video today because I designated this day to customizing a bunch of new Supreme items for, once again, Supreme Ring 2.0 dropping real soon. Datrix, sorry, I think started falling, really creeped me out. So you guys have been asking when I'm cleaning my room, what's the deal here? I'm not cleaning my room for a reason. I'm waiting for all these custom pieces to be made that I'm making for the Supreme Room. Also a bunch of really hype real pieces that we're gonna be putting in the Supreme Room. So when all those come in, we clean in the room, we revamping everything, and the Supreme Room's gonna drop once again. But anyway, getting on to what this video is, once again, I spent the whole day customizing a bunch of Supreme stuff. Y'all know we do a lot of this stuff with the AK Supreme, whatever. Now I do this because it's not fake Supreme, just cool artwork for your room, you know what I mean? Now I did a few pieces today for this room, and I had to show you guys this one. A couple of them I'm not doing videos on. You'll see when the room reveal drops. But this one piece that we created today, boys, it took me about an hour. It's so sick, I had to share it with y'all, and it's something you guys could do yourself for $10. So y'all might know your boy's a big Star Wars fan. I'll show you guys. You guys know this custom piece I did a little while ago, and this is really dope. But for my new Supreme Room, I'm like, I can't just have one of these. I want like a lot of these. I want a lot of Star Wars pieces for my nerd addiction. But bruh, if we want to display them, they gotta be Supreme, because everything in this room is gonna be Supreme. So that's what we did. I actually set up a challenge for this video. I wanted to see the dopest Supreme piece that I could create, that I could show you guys how to create for only $10. So what we got here, boys, is actually something that you can buy at Walmart. This specific one isn't from Walmart. It's from 2009, but I wanted it more because it looked a little cooler. Sorry, correction, it's from Walmart, but I had to get it off eBay because it was from 2009. It was literally like, this thing costs a lot of money because it's collectible, and I need to have that collectible shit. But Walmart sells a bunch of the stuff you're about to see, and it's super easy to make Supreme. It's a little DIY. If you guys enjoy these videos to make cool things for your own room, leave a comment down below. And if you guys want a custom Supreme collection, let me know about that too. I'm really into this. This is stuff I really enjoy, creating artwork and creating this super sick room surrounded by my artwork. And also real Supreme pieces too, don't worry. But before we get into it, man, I'm so stoked to show you guys, because I want to see you guys make this yourself. You can really deck out your room without spending tons of cash. Have some real Supreme pieces, but also make some stuff they've never released. Anyway, the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. If you guys are wondering where the Supreme tattoo is that we were gonna do a bunch of videos on, we're still doing that. But I had to scrub the hell out of it yesterday to get it off my face. No word of a lie. I had to go to a funeral last night, and I did not remember that whatsoever. It was one of my girlfriend's parents, friends, or something like that. I didn't remember, so I literally had to scrape it off. But we putting it back on today. We're gonna make some 6 videos with that. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go check out yesterday's video. Production value is subpar really, but I tried. So without further ado, boys, this is something y'all can make yourself. I had to show y'all. As y'all can see, this is exclusively a Walmart packaging. Just a regular toy for your cosplay needs. Y'all ever try having sex with a helmet on? Boys, it's phenomenal. I think I still have yet to lose my virginity. But trust me, a Star Wars helmet's about to help me out, boys. Without further ado, we're about to take it out of the package. I already did because I had to customize it. Wow! We got the Supreme. It doesn't look as cool on video as it does in person, which is kind of embarrassing. It looks kind of sick. The Supreme Star Wars helmet. So this is it, dude. Like, you can make some really cool stuff. As I'm saying, I had to show you once again. I'm so stoked. You guys don't even know how stoked I am right now. I love this stuff. So what I did, this was a black visor. I took some red vinyl. Now you guys can get red vinyl, like a foot sheet of it, for like 99 cents on eBay. I'm gonna show you what it looks like actually. If I can get out of my room. Alright. Woo! I destroyed that box. So this is what it is. You just get like a small sheet of it off eBay, really cheap. And what I did was I just put it on the visor here. I didn't film me doing it because I feel like a lot of y'all don't really care about that. And also, ah! How did this happen? What? Oh! I'm upset about that. I'm very upset about that. I got red marks all over this, bro. From the goddamn gun! I guess it looks warrior-esque. Looks like he was in some sort of blood battle. How did it get on the top? Calm down. What I did was this was black, and this was black. I just put that red vinyl on it. You know, to add the Supreme pop. And then with the Supreme, you guys might be wondering how I got that on there. All y'all gotta do, boys, go to eBay. You can get these little things, a little deck. Oh, shit. I was about to put it on the gun again. That you peel just like this. Same way we made the table. Peel them off like that. You just put them on any way you want. It was a little big for this part right here, so I just kind of slanted them up, it says, which is super sick to me, because it's like, yo, I'm rocking Star Wars. Check the tags, dog. I'm rocking Star Wars. Cool. Drake reference. And I'm also saying what's up to you twice. You know what I'm saying? One for your face, one for your vag. Okay. But yeah, man. You know, I can tell I'm very, very stoked about this customizing stuff. And this is gonna be on the shelf. We have another helmet coming in. We're gonna have the full shelf of helmets. The Supreme room is gonna be so dope. But I don't know if you guys really care about this video. I really care about this type of stuff. If you guys wanna make stuff like this, literally $10. Once again, this helmet itself is a little more expensive because I wanted to make sure that I could wear it. The other ones don't really pop open like this. But that's just some nerdy crap that you can get over yourself. You know what I'm saying? I personally wasn't gonna make a sick Stormtrooper helmet with Supreme on it if I couldn't wear it. See? Is that not hype? Oh, damn it! Damn it, damn it! Oh! Okay, I forgot to mention, I didn't even think about that. If you put red on here, you can't see out of it anymore. I didn't think about that at all. Anyway, this is it, boys. The Supreme Stormtrooper helmet. You guys let me know if you're really kind of claustrophobic in there. You guys let me know what you think about that. If you guys are really stoked for the Supreme room, let me know and I'm gonna hurry up the process of getting all this stuff in. Let me tell you guys, if you're not hyped up enough, I dropped 10 grand on the stuff you're about to see in the Supreme room. We're getting rid of everything that's fake, which is what we were about to do in the first place. Y'all gave me a hard time because a lot of things are fake in here. That was filling up room before I got my money all sorted out so I could buy the real stuff, making the dopest room y'all have ever seen. I don't want to send shots at all, you know what I'm saying? But Blazendary, Kais Omar, y'all think you're tough with your rooms, dog? Well, I'll tell you, I'm having more sex in mine, and it's better, so suck it. And suck it hard. Kais and Blazendary. Also, if you guys want to come over and chill in my Supreme room at some time, that'd be sick. Okay. I got Gatorade, you know what I mean? But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Real quickie, I didn't think this deserved an absolute video until I made it, and then I thought, you know what, boys, like, you guys can make this yourself for a really, really cheap price, and I want you guys to have some really, really sick rooms. Because honestly, it does not take as much money as a lot of people on YouTube are gonna show you to make a sick room if you're creative about it, or if you have somewhat of a cult leader directing you on how to do so, which is me. Keep in mind, I'm the one that's helping you here. Ray Ray's doing nothing for you. Sorry, no shots to Ray Ray. Sorry, man, I like you. NameBran number 2 is coming out again. God, I hate that guy, but I also love him. So many balls. At least 3. Anyway, sorry. This is it. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. We taking the L on the 10-minute video today, but most importantly, man, we just had to show this off. We don't gotta talk too much, but all I want you guys to do is leave a comment down below if you guys enjoy these customizing things, and I can show you guys real time making them, and I could also show you a bunch of the other custom items that I've been creating lately for the Supreme Room V2 when it finally comes out. And last thing, if you guys ordered shirts for the merch drop and whatever, it's closed now, but if you guys ordered shirts, I'm very, very sorry for the delay. I don't know what's happened to the dude that makes my shirts. I'm hoping he's not dead, but he very well might be, so I don't want to push him too hard. I've like sent him 3 emails in the past one day. I sent him 3 yesterday, so hopefully there's all going on with him. They're coming out as soon as possible. I'm sorry for the day. Sorry for the delay. Appreciate y'all for watching though, man. The NameBran fans real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. I'm gonna show you how to make the dopest room ever for real, real cheap. Wow.